Good morning, students. Today we'll start with method of integration. So in this exercise, total 22 sums are there. So we'll start with the sum first is sine square 2x plus 5. So we don't have any formula to integrate sine square. So what we will do, we will replace this sine square 2x plus 5 by 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Sine square x has a formula 1 minus cos square x by 2. So we will integrate 1 minus cos 2x. X is 2x plus 5 whole divided by 2 into dx. Now we'll multiply this 2 with a bracket term and we get integration 1 minus cos 4x plus 10 whole divided by 2 dx. Right? Now separating the term, that is 1 by 2 integration of dx minus 1 by 2 integration of cos 4x plus 10 dx. So integration of dx is x minus 1 by 2. Integration of cos x function is sin x. So we get sin 4x plus 10 divided by 4. We are dividing by 4 because here the variable x has 4. So we'll divide by its coefficient and we get 1 by 2 into sin 4x plus 10 divided by 4 plus c. So final answer is x by 2 minus sin 4x plus 10 divided by 8 plus c. Next question is integration of sin 3x into cos 4x. Now before starting, here we can see it's a multiplication of two function. So we will use a formula that sin a into cos b is 1 by 2 sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Right? When you expand this sin a plus b plus sin a minus b, we will get sin a into cos b. So in place of sin a into cos b, we can write 1 by 2 sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Right? So next step is 1 by 2 integration of sin a plus b, that is 3x plus 4x plus sin a minus b. So sin 3x minus 4x into dx. That is 1 by 2 integration of sin 7x minus sin x dx. Integration of sin 7x gives minus cos 7x divided by 7. And integration of sin x gives minus cos. Already we have a minus sign, so we get answer as minus cos 7x upon 14 multiplying with 2. And next term is minus minus plus cos x upon 2 plus c. Next question is integration of sin cube 2x plus 1 dx. So here we can make use of two methods. Either we can use the formula of sin 3x, that is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x dx. Or we can split this sin cube 2x plus 1 as sin squared 2x plus 1 into sin 2x plus 1. Right? So we have made use of the second method. That is sin squared 2x plus 1 into sin 2x plus 1. Now this sin square can be written as 1 minus cos squared 2x plus 1 into sin 2x plus 1 dx. Now we have made a supposition that cos 2x plus 1 equal to t. Differentiation of cos 2x plus 1 gives minus 2 sin 2x plus 1 dx equal to dt. That is sin 2x plus 1 dx is minus dt by 2. Right? So in place of dx, we will write minus dt by 2. So minus 1 by 2 integration of 1 minus t square. And this whole sin 2x plus 1 dx, in place of it we have written dt. Right? Next step is minus 1 by 2 integration of dt minus integration of t square dt. That is minus 1 by 2 integration of dt gives t and integration of t square gives t cube by 3 plus c. Now replace this t by cos 2x plus 1 and final answer we get as 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 1 by 2 plus cos cube 2x plus 1 by 6 plus c. Next question is integration of sin cube x into cos cube x dx. So here we have written cos cube x as it is and sin cube x is written as sin square x into sin x. In place of sin square x we will write 1 minus cos square x. Now multiply the term and we get integration of cos cube x into sin x dx minus integration of cos cube x into cos square x, that is cos 5x into sin x into dx. Now we will make a supposition that cos x equal to t. Cos x equal to t, differentiation gives minus sin x dx equal to dt. Minus integration of t cube 1 minus t square dt. Multiplying the term we get minus integration of t cube d2 plus integration of t raised to 5 dt. Integration of t cube gives t raised to 4 by 4 minus t raised to 5 is t raised to 6 by 6 plus c. Now we will replace this t by cos of x. So we get cos raised to 4x by 4 minus cos raised to 6x by 6 plus c. Next question is integration of cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Now here we know that cos x is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 and 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2 dx, right? Individually dividing the term we get 1 by 2 integration of 1 minus tan square x by 2. Now this tan square x by 2 is replaced by 1 minus x square x by 2. So when we open the bracket we get 1 by 2 integration of 1 and 1 2 minus 2 sec square x by 2 dx. That is integrating we get 1 by 2 2x minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 by 2 plus c. Most IMP question, integration of sin raised to 4x dx. So we will write this sin raised to 4x as sin square x into sin square x dx. That is sin square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2 the whole square. Right? Now you expand this using a formula a minus b the whole square. So we get 1 by 4 integration of 1 plus cos square 2x minus 2 cos 2x dx. That is 1 by 4 integration of 1 plus, in place of cos square 2x we can write 1 plus cos 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x dx. Next step is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus cos 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x. Integrating 1 plus 1 by 2 gives 3 by 2 cos 4x by 2 minus 2 cos 2x. After integrating we get 1 by 4 as it is, integration of 3 by 2 integration of dx plus 1 by 2 integration of cos 4x dx minus 2 integration of cos 2x dx gives 3 by 2x plus 1 by 2 sin 4x by 4 minus 2 sin 2x by 2. So we get final answer as after multiplying the whole term of the bracket with 4 we get 3x by 8 minus sin 2x by 4 plus 1 by 32 sin 4x plus c. Next sum is 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. We know that 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2 and 1 plus cos x is 2 cos square x by 2. Cancelling the 2 we get tan square x by 2 and integration of tan square x we have to replace it by sec square x by 2 minus 1. That is integration of sec square x by 2 dx minus integration of dx. Integration of sec square x by 2 is tan x by 2 by 1 by 2 and integration of dx is minus x plus c. So we get final answer as 2 tan x by 2 minus x plus c. Next question is integration of sin square x upon 1 plus cos x. Now this sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x, right? And this we can further expand it using a formula a square minus b square. So we get 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x is cancelled and we get 1 minus cos x and we have to do the integration of 1 minus cos x, right? So the next step is integration of 1 minus cos x gives integration of dx minus integration of cos x dx. So integration of, so we get x minus sin x plus c. Next question is most important. It is integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha upon cos x minus cos alpha dx. So here we are going to use the formula cos x minus cos alpha is minus 2 sin. Cos minus cos is minus 2 sin. So we get integration of minus 2 sin 2 alpha plus cos 2x divided by 2 into sin 2x minus 2 alpha by 2. Again in denominator also cos minus cos is minus 2 sin. So we get minus 2 sin x plus alpha by 2 into sin x minus alpha by 2 dx. So we get integration of sin x plus alpha into sin x minus alpha upon sin x plus alpha by 2 into sin x minus alpha by 2. Now, next step is integration of this sine x is 2 sine cos, that is 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2. So we are making use of it and we get 2 sine x plus alpha by 2 into cos x minus alpha by 2, and over here also same formula. So we get 2 sine x minus alpha by 2 into cos x minus alpha by 2. The terms are cancelled and we get integration of 4 cos x plus alpha by 2 into cos x minus alpha by 2. That is to integration of cos x plus alpha by 2 plus x minus alpha by 2 plus cos x plus alpha by 2 minus x minus alpha by 2. That is to integration of cos x plus cos alpha into dx. To integration of cos x is sin x and cos alpha is a constant term. So we will do the integration of dx and we get 2x cos alpha plus c. So final answer which we are getting is 2 sin x plus 2x cos alpha plus c. Next question is cos x minus sin x upon 1 plus sin 2x. So in place of 1 we will write sin square x plus cos square x, and in place of sin 2x we have written 2 sin x into cos x. So that is the expansion of a square plus b square, that is sin square x plus cos square x plus 2 sin x into cos x. So we get sin x plus cos x the whole square. Now we will make a supposition that sin x plus cos x equal to t. So differentiation of this function gives cos x minus sin x dx equal to dt. Right? So integration, in place of this cos x minus sin x dx we will write dt, and in denominator it is t square. So we get integration of t raised to minus 2 dt, that is minus t raised to minus 1 plus c after integrating, that is minus 1 by t plus c, and in place of t we will write sin x plus cos x. So we get the answer as minus 1 upon sin x plus cos x plus c.